Yo, what's good, y'all? Back with another preset pack. Today I got a dope vintage film overlay pack I want to share with y'all. The download link will be in the description below. Like always, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 500 subs. With that being said, let's jump straight into the pack. Before we get started, I want to let y'all know that you can use the code FREEKODAK2020 at the checkout to get $3 off the preset pack. The code expires January 2021. So when you unzip the pack, you'll see two folders. One contains the transitions and shakes, and the other just has frozen PNGs you can add to videos, or you can bring them into Photoshop and drag them onto your photos. It's a lot you could do with this pack, just get creative. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag in my transitions first. I'm gonna go ahead and put them all in one bin to keep it organized. I'm gonna name it film, import my PNGs too. Same thing, put them all in one bin, name it PNGs. Okay, so I got my footage on my timeline and my effects already imported. We're gonna start with these two clips here. I just shot this music video the other day. Shot it within an hour. Go check it out on my channel. So this is how you use the Track Matte Key transition. It's included in the pack. This is what it looks like. It already comes with sound effects and all that, so you just drag it and drop it on your footage that you want to transition in between. Make sure your audio is lined up. Once you got your Track Matte Key where you want it, you want to cut your two clips to the length of your Track Matte Key. So I'm gonna cut right there. Go here and I'm gonna cut a second clip to the end of my Track Matte Key. So I got these two tracks right here that I just cut. I'm gonna go to my effects and I'm gonna type in Track Matte Key. I'm gonna drag Track Matte Key on the two clips that I just cut. I'm gonna scroll to the beginning of the first cut I made. I'm gonna click my video footage. I'm gonna go to my effects control panel, scroll down to Track Matte Key. Where it says matte, I'm gonna click video 2. Whatever video layer your Track Matte transition is, that's the video layer you select for matte. But for composite using, you wanna always put Luma, because that makes the black and white transparent. Alpha is for color, Luma is for black and white. Don't worry about reverse, and we're gonna do the same thing for our second clip that we drag Track Matte Key on. We're gonna go to Matte Luma. I'm gonna go to video 2 because that's the layer that our Track Matte transition on. If our Track Matte transition was on layer 3, then for our matte we'll choose video 3. But it's on video 2 for now, so we're gonna put it on video 2. Then when you play it back, you should have a smooth transition with the sound effects. Easy to use. Just make sure you drag the Track Matte Key on the effect. Now let me show you my second favorite transition out the pack. Let me find it. All you gotta do is drag it and drop it on your footage. You got you an easy dope transition. This one doesn't have a sound effects, but you can find your own on YouTube. Just type in projector sound effects, vintage film strip sound effects, all that. You'll find something dope. Play it back and you got something like this. Easy, smooth, seamless transition. Let me show you another one that I like, one of my other favorites. This one. You could throw this one on here. And you could just do so much with it. You could crop different photos, different videos inside of one. There's different things you could do with the pack. Just get creative. Let me find one. Here it is. Dang, one of my favorites too. Just smooth, fast and simple, easy to use, drag and drop transitions. I'm gonna show y'all how to use the PNGs now. Just like the transitions, all you gotta do is drag them and drop them on your footage, hand them out to however long you want to, because it's a PNG image. Play it back and you got you a dope overlay. Show you a few more. Play it back. Add different photos and videos in there. Yeah, real dope. Don't forget to use the code FREEKODAK2020 at checkout. You'll get $3 off the preset pack. The code expires January 2021, so get it while you can. If you're interested in buying my pack, the link will be in the description below. Check out my other effects pack and merch as well. It'll help the channel out a lot. With that being said, we're almost at 400 subs, road to 500. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want to see next, and I'm out.